Okay, this afternoon, making an egg white omelet. A little olive oil in a 10-inch pan over medium heat. It's about half a carton of cage-free egg whites from Costco. It's a 16-ounce carton. I have some pasta sauce left over from another recipe. I'm going to be using some of that. And I have just about a half an inch of pesto left in this jar of pesto. All of these items are from Costco. So I want the bottom of this to set really good so I could stuff it with some ingredients, including some organic spinach, low-fat Swiss cheese, and then fold it. Usually cut it into 3 pieces, serves 3 people. This is the dish you make when you have a little bit of this, a little bit of that left, and you don't know what to do with it. Use the pesto, of course, to spread on toast. You could use it in pasta, the dressed pasta. So obviously this is going to ooze, but it's going to be a delicious ooze. Now I'm going to put the organic spinach on it. This is triple washed. And then cover this so it wilts, and then I'll turn it. So I've used a spatula to make sure that the omelet isn't sticking. There it goes. So that's just what you need. It's oozing. You can see the ingredients. A couple of more touches and we'll be ready to eat. Italian, organic Italian parsley chopped. Some crushed Aleppo pepper. Color. So I've cut the omelet into 3 pieces, as you can see. It's a generous portion. Obviously it's not a whole meal, it's more of a snack. Or you could add the sweet potato to this in the morning, mashed or baked. Some quinoa perhaps. Enjoy. Just took a bite out of it. Pesto from Costco, of course, is salty. Most pestos are. And I like the tomato sauce, the pasta sauce with it. Enjoy.